How to create a new Telegram account. So if you want to create a new Telegram account, then first of all open up your Telegram app. Make sure to install this application, and after installing, tap on Start Messaging. Now you have to enter your mobile number, so choose your country. Now after choosing your country, you have to enter your mobile number, and then tap on the arrow which is on the bottom right corner, and now it will send you a code to the mobile number that you have just entered. You have to enter that code here. After entering the code, now you have to enter your first name and then your last name. And after entering your name, tap on the arrow which is on the bottom right corner. And that's it. That's how you create a Telegram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.